Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add funny voiceover to TikTok video. Okay, first of all, open your TikTok application on your phone. After you have your TikTok application opened, you can create a post on TikTok. Tap on this plus button. Then, for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my device. I'm going to upload this photo, for example. Okay, and here we can add voiceover to TikTok post. Tap on this icon until you find the voice option. Tap on this microphone icon. And then here you can record your voice. Tap on this record button and tap on this microphone icon to start the recording process. Halo teman-teman, ini adalah uji coba. Hello guys, this is an experiment. Okay, and after you're done recording your voice, you can tap on this done option and you can select the voice filter you would like to apply to your voiceover. You can select a lot of filters right here based on its category. And for example, I'm going to select this category. Alright, and I'm gonna go with this filter to make my sound become funnier. Tap on the voice filter that you want to use for your voiceover. Then this is the result.
Halo teman-teman, ini
Okay.
adalah uji coba. Hello guys, this is experiment.
Okay, and after we're done selecting the voice folder, we can click on save to save this voiceover.
Ini
Okay, and you can click on next and click on post to post your TikTok content. I guess and that's how we can add funny voiceover to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.